guys, today we're trying to identify these rocks that my mother-in-law gave me. So I'm trying my best, but if I don't know some of this rock, you can correct me and comment below, okay? Because some of this I know, but some of it I don't know yet. So I'm new to the stones and I'm new to about these rocks. So I'm still reading books, so you can correct me in my comment below to identify these rocks, okay? But I try my best. Okay guys, this big one is quartz crystal with muscovite mica or mica. This flaky sheets is mica or mica. And this white part is a crystal, quartz crystal. These are raw and these are not polished. So see, this flaky sheets is metallic and shiny, shimmery, and quartz is these white parts. The hardness of quartz is 7. The highest hardness is diamond is 10. Compared to the diamond is 10 is the highest hardness. Mica is in the old days they use this as a window for heat in the oven, because these are heat proof. So that's the use of this. They also use this for cosmetics, this mica. And this one is rose quartz. Rose quartz. Rose quartz crystal. This one is carnelian. It's kind of a bacon, but my Facebook group said this is carnelian, because I asked my group to help me identify this. So it's carnelian, they said. There's a banding right here. It's like a bacon crystal, but they said it's carnelian. It has kind of deep orange and pink, kind of orange. This one guys is amethyst, purple amethyst crystal. And this one, some of my group in Facebook said mineral identification group, they said it's Chalcedony, and some said it's a Flint. And this one is blue calcite. Blue calcite. It's kind of blue right here. It's kind of blue and it's kind of gray something. This one guys, it's banded calcite. Kind of orange and brown. I'm gonna try this with muriatic acid or hydrochloric acid. When it's bubbles, it means it's calcite, and when it's not bubbles, it means it's harder than the calcite. This one is petrified wood. It's heavy, guys. It's like wood, but it's heavy. This one is coal, silver coal. See, it's shimmery, shiny coal. This one is a beautiful petrified wood. See, it's like wood. Petrified agatized wood. See, beautiful colors. This wood is buried million years ago, and then it was agatized. It's like a stone, but the outside is like a wood. One is Ammolite. It's like a shell. It's a shell, and they call it Ammolite. And this one, guys, is the Gneiss. Gneiss. This one looks like a quartzite. If you can correct me, you can comment below. And calcite. I'm gonna test this again. I didn't test the hardness of this. So when it bubbles, guys, when you test with hydrochloric acid, it means calcite. And they are soft stone. But granite, what do you think, guys? This one is kind of brown. Look like chico, guys. The fruits in the Philippines. It's brown and shiny. This one is Flint. It's another shiny. Another Flint. This one has gray and shiny stone in it. If it's scratched, it means it's calcite. This one, guys, is a coal. Another coal. See it chip up. This one, again, I did not test the hardness of this. Calcite. This one looks like Ammolite. There's a wavy pattern. This one, it has a green on it. I'm gonna try to break this in half to see what's the inside. It's kind of shiny. And see, there's a green line in here. This one is kind of shiny again. It's big. I don't know what it is, but they are heavy and they're shiny. It's like a star. There's a star. It's like a sky, dark sky, and the stars. It's shiny. Okay, all this is from my mother-in-law. This one is kind of reddish rock. This one, guys, is Pyrite, false gold. This one is desert rose. This one is a peacock ore. It has a gold color, pink, purple, and dark blue. But when you drop it, they are easy to crack and easy to chip off. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. And please subscribe to my channel. Mwah.